Hey guys, I'm Itze Kalboer and welcome to my channel. So I'm really excited to start this new journey and thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. So on this channel I want to upload videos about personal finance, business related topics and self-improvement. I always been very interested in finance and I learned a lot about it these last few years, and I would really love to share what I learned and help you guys improve your financial situation and knowledge. Why did I start this channel? Because I really love to help people, and it kind of shocks me how many of us are struggling financially. Money plays such an important role in our lives, but yet we don't get taught how to manage our finances in school. Also, if you're not really familiar in the financial world, it can be quite complicated and overwhelming with the financial terminology and all the different options that are out there. So I made it my mission to share what I learned and what I will learn along the way to help you guys. So please, if you are interested in these kind of topics and want to follow me on my financial journey, subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out on my new videos. I will be posting 2 videos per week. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you guys around. Have a great day.